Let's create a realistic juice can mock-up like this. Starting from a blank can, select the rectangle tool and draw around like this. Don't worry about the color. Lower the opacity and adjust it near the subject. Right-click on this layer. Select Convert to Smart Object. Now, select the subject. There are many ways to select. Use Quick Selection or Object Selection. For smooth edges, use the Pen tool. For this kind of image, the Pen tool works best. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Set Feather to 1 and press OK. Subject is selected now. Press Ctrl+J to copy it. It's now on a new layer. Press Ctrl and J again to make another copy. Rename it as Can 1. Name it Can 2. Two copies are in separate layers. We'll remove the top of this one. Hold Ctrl and click the layer. It's selected now. Use the Pen tool to draw like this. Right-click and choose Make Selection. Now the top part is selected. Press Delete or Backspace to remove it. Hold Ctrl and click on Can 2 layer. It's selected again. Go to the top layer and add a group. While group is selected, add a mask. Drag Can 2 layer into the mask. Move this layer to the top. Time to apply the label. Double-click this layer. Drag this image and drop on this layer. Close this label tab. Click Yes to save changes. Now the label is in place, but it looks flat. Change the layer mode to linear burn. Now you can see how it's perfectly blended. Let's change the background color. Select the Can 1 layer. Hold Ctrl and click the layer. The whole can is selected. Go to Adjustment layer. Solid color. Pick any color you like. You can change it later too. Click on the mask layer. Press Ctrl and I to invert the mask. The color is now in the background, but it looks flat. Change the blend mode to linear burn. Try other modes too. Now shadows and details appear. Double-click on the color fill layer. Color picker appears. You can change the color again. Let's add more shine. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the background. Drag it to the top of the layers. This is the original tin we are using, and it has a shinier finish. Go to Filter. Camera Raw Filter. Lower the exposure. Increase the whites. Click OK. Change the mode to screen or soft light. Reduce the opacity. That's it. For more updates, subscribe to our Pix and Perfect channel. Like, share, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.